Hello, my name is Jonathan Marquez, and I am going to discuss the parts and function of SLR camera. SLR camera stands for single lens reflex. The aperture. The camera's aperture is a diaphragm located in the lens of an SLR camera. It controls the width of the opening that lets light into the camera and influences how much of the depth of a photograph is in focus. Basic SLRs have an aperture ring located close to where the lens meets the camera body. This is the aperture, as you can see. The shutter speed or ISO. The SLR camera contains a shutter that determines how long light enters the camera. It controls whether moving objects will appear sharp or blurry. Basic SLRs have a shutter speed dial on top of the camera body marked with the numbers that can range from 1 to 1000 representing fractions of a second. Here is the shutter speed. Ito siya. Next is the lens. Most SLR cameras have a detachable lens so you can choose between long, short, normal, or zoom options. You may have to hold down a lens release button on the front of the camera body and simultaneously twist to unlock it and move the lens. Ito yung mga lenses. Next, shutter release button and film advance lever. The shutter release button works just like its counterpart on a point and shoot camera. When you press it all the way down, the camera makes an exposure. Older cameras also have a film advance lever that moves the film into place for the next exposure. Next is flash hot show. Many SLRs come outfitted with a flash hot show on top and in the center of the camera body. These sensors help the flash and the camera communicate so you can make proper exposures with an untouched file. And an SLR is made up of the following components. Number 1 is lens elements, reflex mirror, shutter, film all sensor, focusing screen, condenser lens, pen trapezium, and eyepiece. That's all. Thank you.